shower now because of you.
Why me?
Because I got trouble. Fine, jump. Where you at? Okay. Fuck no.
Jump, you little brat!
No, she ain't recording it.
Why not?
Jump! Because you're fucking recording and then you're going to put it on Google.
Google,
Jump!
no, YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube, whatever.
I'm
Hey,
gonna
maybe
put it
you'll
on
be
Facebook.
famous.
Jump!
Maybe you'll be famous for stunts.
Yeah.
Fuck you. I ain't jumping. I'm
Sorry.
You're fucking crazy.
Okay.
Orbie,
I don't know.
jump!
Why'd you have it in the first
Go
place?
barefooted.
Jump!
You know what? Let's go, Jacqueline. Don't break any bones. Holy shit. Okay?
Jump! Hurry!
Let me see that.
You're gonna be famous. Just do it.
Stretch it all the way.
You're gonna be famous. Do it.
What?
Throw it up.
Come on.
Best you can show all the kids how brave you are. And
Yeah.
maybe you'll get girls.
No.
Yeah. That's why I don't get girls.
Come, I can't stretch
Give
anymore.
me it.
I can't.
I'll drop this on you.
Just give it that.
This is my hat. You're not ruining mine. No.
Almost.
I would just jump if I was you.
This is Orbie Kimble jumping off a house.
I can't jump in.
I'm a chicken.